what do we have here? Okay, we have got a single button here to control play.
Hello and welcome to my experiences and reviews. In this channel I share my first-hand experience of product unboxing, reviews, installation and assembly, knowledge and information sharing for your benefits and the benefits of society. So, tag along by subscribing to this channel. And, if you find some contents useful or if there are some areas of improvement, please feel free to comment on the respective video section. We appreciate your feedback.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to my channel where I used to upload contents like unboxing and travel and tourisms. So right now here we are doing an unboxing of JBL on-the-ear Tune 500 headsets. So it's called pure bass sound and hands-free call. So which is good for a laptop, for mobile phones, although it's one of the basic variant coming into their lines of headphones, so ranging from 100 dirhams all the way to 2000 dirhams in the UAE. So for instance, this one already we can see the price originally was 150, but now it's 79. I would say like it's one of the very basic module or basic product in produced by JBL, which is also budget friendly. I mean, but of course you can find the products much expensive than this. But since it's a JBL, I'm pretty much sure the quality of this headphone would be far better than any other competitors available in the market. So just going through the main features mentioned on the box, we can see here it's 3.5 mm jack, 32 mm is perhaps for the speakers, and then frequency is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. And what do we have here? Okay, we have got a single button here to control play and pause the songs, the tracks, fast forward if we press it 2 times, and if we press it 3 times it's gonna give us back forward, a reverse basically. If we see here, so it has got another function called Siri, Google now, which is compatible with that functionality. And if we see here, what they have written here is again the primary name of the model, JBL pure bass sound, hands-free calls, which is the usual thing of course, tangle free flat cable. Yeah, this is something which I wasn't really interested. I mean, it's again an added value. So perhaps the quality of cable is made in a way that it's not really you know always difficult to get rid of these tangles. Lightweight and foldable design. So this is again one of the main feature you may find in brands like JBL. What do we have here? It's nothing. So I've just went through all the directions of the box, the price I just mentioned, and let's see and unbox this packing.
Sorry for the noises guys, but I'm just
Sitting beside my balcony. Inside. Typical manual. Quick start guide. Of course, who's gonna read this for a typical headphone? Yeah, that's where we are with the main product. Looks cool to me. Oh, such a nice packing. Yeah, this is where the cable is really tangle free. Okay, you can see even the design, not making up a mess always whenever you go. All right, this is kind of a really amazing design. So much flexibility, like it can move in almost in every direction. Okay, like this, like this. It's good for kids, good for adults. So I bought this for myself, but I'm gonna see if I can you continue it, or maybe I can give it to my daughter. But yeah, it's pretty much it. Although it's the main material is made up of a plastic, but it's a good quality plastic. The color is fine. It's not like typical black color, which is always the case for laptops, for tablets, which are always coming in black. So this time around, JBL has given us a very nice kind of a blue shade, but yeah, it's lightweight as I mentioned. On top of that, there is a flexibility over here. Yeah, you can see the size can vary for adults, for kids. You can make it bigger, you can make it slower, and that's it. There is a one button, as we have read this before, which is used for of course, um, you know play as a play and pause button, fast forward, and making in reverse. So yeah, that's it. Of course, I'm gonna try to use it, and in terms of quality, I cannot really record it over here, but it looks like, of course, it's a JBL. So hopefully, also you can see here, on top of this thing, which should be lying on your head, is a foam, the soft material kind of thing. It's not a really hard plastic, so that whenever you use it on top of your head, so it's really giving you a comfortable feeling. Okay, so this I mean, of course, there are two or three major ranges of headphones coming in the market. So this one is called on the ear, so which means like we put it like this, not on the behind side. So there are other variants like, okay, behind the ears, so which normally you put it like this. Okay, so, and in terms of flexibility, as you have seen, it's so much flexible. You can fold it like this and in any other direction. So pretty much flexible, nice, within a reasonable price. It's a good product available in the market. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please do let us know through the comment box below. We appreciate your time. We'll see you in our next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.